Dear valued watcher of this video, UpOnly, UPO, gets listed on KuCoin as a world premiere. What is UPO? KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to the trading platform. UpOnly, UPO, will be available on KuCoin and supported trading pair is UPO/USDT. UpOnly is a vast data, directory and predictions infrastructure for everything Play-to-Earn and Metaverse. Priding itself in transparent and reliable data, UpOnly provides Play-to-Earn and Metaverse gamers with the tools they need to identify the most lucrative gaming opportunities and optimize their performance in their gaming endeavors. With one UpOnly, gamers can leverage on-chain data from countless Play-to-Earn and Metaverse platforms, and also gain access to insightful and actionable research on blockchain-based gaming. All links in description. Subscribe for the latest news every day, and we are happy to help. With best regards, the ALTCOINERZ team.